we go. So I take some wire.
Okay.
And then I thread it through the holes that I just made. I can find a little hole.
It's its plan.
I even have my
there you go,
glasses
yeah.
on. Yeesh. Okay. So what the idea is that we're gonna put it through secure it through the foam.
And just kind of twist it in the back or tie a knot or.
Yep. So this is the process. So then I'm gonna cut it.
Okay.
And then I use a bigger tool. I don't remember what these are called, but
So a bigger one than how you
yeah.
when you poked the hole in him.
And you can
right?
use any, like I just use this. You could use, if you've got whatever you've got in hand, a chopstick, whatever would pop through this. So we've already placed these ahead of time where we want them. So now I'm going to go right next to the spool, and I'm going to bring this out so it doesn't go through the table. And I pop a hole on either side.
Okay.